mo maging paglaki mo?
Sundalo po!
Ay! Kaya
sir!
pala!
Sir,
Oh.
attention! Harap sa kaliwa!
Ay, oo.
Harap!
Yan! Ang ganda!
Bakit gusto mo maging sundalo?
Hulihin ko ang mga bakla.
Gago! Gago!
Hinagot ng pangako, bigla kang nawala. Ano nangyari boy sa ibang puki napunta? Wala na tong atrasan pero di pwedeng sumuko. Di ko to ginusto pakiram, madam palaging kabong. Responsibilidad ko, kailangan ko bang ilimong? Anak, kumapit ka, bubuhayin ka mag-isa. Kahit wala kang ama, puki ng ina.
I just wanna get high on my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eye.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else.
Gago!
Number 10. Sit at the chessboard and play with yourself.
I only see mangoes, I don't believe it.
Gago!
Jack was a corrupt politician. 6 months before he was put to prison, Jack got rage-baited in a public hearing.
Sampling ko sa Chairman. Session suspended.
suspended.
On the day he was arrested, he crashed out on the officers. His partner and her daughter also crashed out. After crashing out, he became weak and required oxygen, even though the tank was not connected. He was flown to The Hague where he was shown to the cameras and made to introduce himself and was very emotional, even though 6 months ago he said, "How did Jack end up in jail?"
Nato Gian. Worth pa bang panoorin ko to?
Blake, sino to?
Si Malay.
Malay. Eto.
Si Maloy din.
Bakit mo tinuturuan ng kamalian yung bata?
Utang lang mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yan! Yo! Adik!
At eto na ang ating Maha Blanca. Shush! Napakaangas! Eh!
4 na hacks magpapansin kay crush. Number 1, banatan mo. Hindi ng sapak pero ng spark of words.
Saan ka punta, ma'am? Sa Cebu? Sa Cebu? Sa Cebuhay ko?
Makipagkita ka sa akin.
Labis, labis, akong nasasabik na
Gusto mo tayong dalawa eh! Ano? Gusto mo tayong dalawa?
labis, labis.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Hindi mo na kailangan mahalin ako. Ako na ang magmamahal sa'yo.
Gago!
Ay, malawa ka. Ano ba yun?
Gago!
And don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes. Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes. Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? Now that I'm without you.
Niggas wanna drag me cause I'm so fly. If you tryna catch me, we gon' blow. Pussy niggas watch me. This is the end.
Gago! Gago!
Spill the tea. T-E-A. Utang lang mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Amin!
Turon, 750 pesos sa Amanpulo Resort. Meron lang ice cream. Nakita ko sa internet. Pero alam mo ba, nabili ko ito sa kapitbahay ko ng 6 pesos each. At alam mo ba, ito ay around 20 to 30 pesos sa mga sikat na malls dito sa Metro Manila and around 300 pesos sa mga hotels. Turon, pagkain Pilipino, saging na binalutan, matamis, pero nagkakaiba ang presyo depende sa lugar. My point is, if you feel worthless, if you feel undervalued o hindi na-appreciate ang presence mo, there is a place somewhere kung saan mataas ang value mo as a person, kung saan na-appreciate ang pagkatao mo. It's not too late to change your place. It's not too late para ma-appreciate ang totoong value mo as a person. Hindi katulad ng ex mo na hindi nakakita ang value mo, kaya ipinagpalit ka sa iba. Ay,
Gago! Gago!
All clear. Position under control. Out.
Ang ganahan ka magluto, ingon na anak. Oh, magluto ka? Mauna pa kag maluto kaysa sa sudan.
Dati, pangarap ko rin na, maka-MJS ako. Tapos, eto, MJS na.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this was Yoshi, a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate, then off your fucking head. This that put the kids to bed. This that I got.
Sana pasukan ako ng 5 basketball player ngayon sa puwet. Ngayon na.
Gago!
Lord, huwag nyo lang akong ibigay sa tamang maling tao sa inyong lahat. Oh, Minecraft time. Iyak na ako, Lord.
Gago!